Guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you a hidden gem that is located in Nahda 1 in Dubai, and it is named by 51 Rainbows Ice Cream next to the Ravi restaurant. So let's enter the ice cream parlor. So we have entered the ice cream parlor, so let's see what's inside, and it looks so cool. The theme is so perfect. They are making ice cream on a tawa, like which you call in Pakistan in Urdu, and the staff was quite humbled and they were quite great. So let's see what are they going to make. The shop, you see on the top right corner there's like a board which shows their all recipes, and it looks perfectly how they design their style and the recipes they're showing.
देखें ये आइसक्रीम रोल्स बताते हैं, तो इसके बारे में रेसिपी बताएंगे पूरी। चले भाई बताइए। सिंपली इसमें पहले हम लोग फ्लेवर होता है वो डालते हैं, फिर उसके बाद मिल्क और उसके बाद क्रश करके स्प्रेड करके फिर इसका रोल बनाते हैं। अभी आपके सामने सही है।
To tell what that guy was telling in Urdu, he was telling that we're going to crush the milk and put the flavor in, and we're going to roll it up and do the katakak style which we do in Pakistan. So let's see how will he do. As you see, this is a nitrogen machine that makes your ice cream instantly cold. It looks like perfectly as milk, and it will make your ice cream instantly cold in like more than a 5 to 10 second process. So let's see it. So as you see, this is the mango ice cream which was made in that a nitrogen machine, and it looks cool and it was very delicious and tasty in taste. It was like fresh out of the ice. So this is the vanilla ice cream roll which was made in the frozen plate in the cut style, and it was also tasty and fabulous. That is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And I will recommend you to visit this ice cream parlor. It is one of the best ice cream which I have ever tried in whole Dubai, and it is located in Nahdawan, as I told you, next to the Ravi restaurant. So please come and enjoy their ice creams.